The Galaxy S25 is coming. Here's everything you need to know. The wait is almost over. Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25, is just around the corner, and it's bringing some game-changing upgrades you won't want to miss. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about its launch date, features, specs, and all the exciting rumors swirling around this flagship lineup. Let's go. What's in this video? We'll be covering 1. The official launch date rumors. 2. New design changes and standout features. 3. The powerful hardware driving the Galaxy S25 lineup. 4. Camera upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 5. Why this could be Samsung's most durable and futuristic phone yet. Stay tuned until the end for my thoughts on whether the Galaxy S25 is worth waiting for, or if you should stick to the S24 series. Launch date leak, January 22nd, 2025. According to the reliable tipster Abhishek Yadav, Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy S25 on January 22nd, 2025, a Wednesday. The event will likely be called Galaxy Unpacked 2025, and as usual, it's expected to take place in the USA. While it's unclear if this date is for the announcement or in-store availability, it's worth noting that this timing is just a few days later than the Galaxy S24 series, so mark your calendars. What models can we expect? Samsung will reportedly unveil 3 models: Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra. Each phone will come pre-installed with Android 15 and One UI 7.0. Even more exciting, Samsung is committing to 7 major Android updates for these devices, meaning you'll get software support for years to come. Design changes. A refined look. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will stick to the tried-and-true designs of their predecessors, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra is getting a subtle yet impactful redesign. The Ultra will feature curved corners instead of the sharp edges we've seen in previous generations. This change promises better ergonomics, a more comfortable grip, a sleeker, modern aesthetic. Oh, and the most advertised color for the Ultra? A bold and stylish blue. Hatch powerhouse specs. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 lineup is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which boasts massive improvements in CPU and GPU performance, enhanced power efficiency for better battery life. Some reports suggest Samsung might experiment with its Exynos 2500 chip, but it's unclear if this version will reach retail units. In terms of memory and storage, base models will start with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Higher-end versions of the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra might go up to 16 GB RAM. Camera upgrades, a photographer's dream. While the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus may carry over cameras from the S24 series, the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it up a notch. 200 megapixel primary sensor for jaw-dropping detail, 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for sweeping landscapes, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 5x optical zoom. This setup will likely cement the Ultra as one of the top contenders in mobile photography. Build quality and other features. Durability meets luxury as the S25 Ultra is rumored to retain its titanium frame from last year. Across all models, expect IP68 water and dust resistance, cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, Key 2 wireless charging for faster and more efficient power-ups, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for top-tier security. Should you be excited? With its polished design, powerhouse performance, and future-proof software support, the Galaxy S25 lineup is shaping up to be a worthy upgrade. But does it offer enough over the Galaxy S24 series? That's the million-dollar question, and we'll explore that more in our future videos. What do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 lineup? What features are you most hyped for? And do you think Samsung's changes are worth it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Galaxy S25, comparisons, and all things tech. This is Giga Guide, and I'll see you in the next one.